Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Pointer Vibe. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Pointer Vibe itself. As you can see, it has a very elegant design. Now this Pointer Vibe is a quality pinpoint vibrator that is specially designed to stimulate the clitoris and other external sensitive spots. It comes equipped with 10 different vibration settings and it's perfect for pinpoint stimulation. To turn on, simply press and hold down on the big button at the bottom and some lights will flash on. Press once more and it's on. To change the settings, it's very simple to do. Simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off, press and hold down and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slot it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Pointer Vibe, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Teazers Pointer Vibe. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.